Is it too hot to move? Do you think it's even too hot for breakfast? You don't know? It's a hard life. Kitty. You skinny long cat. You skinny long cat. Kitty. Should I go find your brother? No? You don't think he wants breakfast too? Come on, Jojo. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go have breakfast. Come on, kitty. You are so noisy. You are so noisy. Such a noisy man. Come on, kitty.